Hello guys, so welcome to Python Basics Introduction and Installation. So in this video I'm going to tell you what is Python and why you should learn Python today. Basically I know if you are watching this video you already know what is Python, and basically from the simple terms it's a programming language. But what kind of a programming language is it? So Python is a high level and interpreted programming language. By high level I mean Python is basically designed or developed as a language that is easier for humans to read and write compared to the low-level languages. And the basic simple thing of a high level is the focus is on solving problems and expressing algorithms more than just dealing with memory management and CPU instructions. In Python, you don't have to deal with memory management or CPU instructions, basically like the low level languages like the C programming. By the other thing is by interpreted, I mean that the language is executed line by line. So if you don't have the history of Python languages, you will have to understand how the program is executed. But this video will be out of scope for that. I don't have to explain those or to go deep into those the execution way of Python on this part of the video. But I'll tell you that the reason why now you should study Python in current or today's world. The one of the simple and easiest thing to tell you is that Python is simple and easy to understand, basically from its syntax. So this now an ideal language that that's it's ideal for beginners to start with. The other thing is its versatility. By versatility, I mean that it can be used for a wide range of applications. For example, you are interested in web development, you can dive into Python. Data science, Python is there for you. Artificial intelligence or machine learning, Python is there for you. Automation, scripting, you name them. Basically, that will depend on your interest. The other thing is the large community of the ecosystem, which makes it ideal language where you can get the accessible resources you might need, the documentations, tutorials, forums, libraries. Basically, like now I'm sharing the knowledge about Python and I can help you along the way. So this is just the start of it all. The other thing is the most important thing and why you are running this is the job opportunities out there. Python has a wide and high demand in job market because its versatility just show it. Software development, data analysis, machine learning, web development. Python can be used in any part of the industry in this world. So it's an ideal language that will give you opportunity, but you have to put in the effort to reach there. The thing is its high salary potential. Basically, it's a competitive language out there, and its demand for the skills that you will be having on the industry make it an ideal language. The involvement of AI or machine learning has given the Python a name on the top list of the programming languages that exist in this world. So basically, I all I can tell you is just start it off, learn, create, design, develop, and we will be good to go. So in the next video, we are going to see on how we can install Python in our computer, and now we can start our coding journey. Thank you.